Hi folks, I'm Tony Young with EventStore. Previous videos introduced the concept of appending events and reading from a stream. If you're unfamiliar with those concepts, feel free to view those videos before starting this one. In this video, you'll make reading more concrete using the EventStoreDB Python client to read events, display them in the console, and a GUI window. To ensure the configuration information for this example is easy to share, configuration will be stored in config.py. For this video, you'll only need a few common parameters. The stream prefix and stream CE prefix will allow you to build the name of the stream from which you will read. The debug parameter will allow you to spit out extra detail when you execute our code. The ESDB URL ensures all of our scripts reference the same database service. The loan requester checkpoint file name will allow you to keep track of the position where you want to start reading in the stream. Start by importing needed libraries. All of these libraries are either built-in or available through pip, so you can use them too. The code then prints out some basic diagnostic information and establishes a connection to the database, printing any exception messages and retrying if necessary. Since we've already walked through the loan requester GUI, let's look at the second part of that application code containing a read on a stream of all loan requests to report the status of all loan requests. The code sets a timer action for the GUI application and it expires every half second. This allows you to read the stream of events and reconstruct the status view, or read model, very quickly, capturing new events. Start by constructing the name of the stream that you will read and create a special counter called a checkpoint. This checkpoint counter allows you to restart the process at a specific position in the read stream if the process ever fails, so you will store it in a file in the file system. Next, try and read the existing checkpoint from the file. If it exists, great, grab it. If not, assume that you're going to start from the beginning of the stream and read everything. Then, try and read the stream from the checkpoint position. If that fails, you can just start from the very beginning of the stream. For each event that's returned, add it to an internal data structure to store the status of each loan request. In this case, the read model is interested in the event ID and the event type. Once the set of events has been processed, repaint the status window and color the statuses according to where they are in the loan request pipeline. Let's see it in action. Let's launch the GUI and watch the status. Let's append some example loan requests. Notice that as events are appended and wind through the system, the status of the loan requests is updated in the GUI status window. Eventually, two of the example loans wind up needing underwriting where a human needs to get involved, as noted in the GUI status window. Let's go ahead and approve one. Notice that after we approve one of the loans that is waiting for approval, the status updates almost instantly. We'll deny the second loan, and we see the status updated to loan manually denied. When appending an event with a data payload that was built as a dictionary, you converted the dictionary to a JSON string. You can easily unpack that event data from a JSON string back into a dictionary and then access the entries for event processing. Here, we simply print the dictionary to the terminal, but the possibilities are endless. And that's how simple it can be to read from a stream in EventStoreDB.